Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Dan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Preliminary Design Review, or what we call PDR. What is a Preliminary Design Review? A PDR is a technical assessment that establishes the allocated baseline of a system to ensure it is operationally effective. A PDR is conducted before the start of detailed design work and is the first opportunity for the government to closely observe the contractor's hardware and software design. This review assesses the allocated design documented in subsystem product specifications for each configuration item in the system. This ensures that each function, in the functional baseline, has been allocated to one or more system configuration items. What is the purpose of the Preliminary Design Review? The PDR establishes the allocated baseline, hardware, software, human and support systems, and underlying architectures to ensure that the system under review has a reasonable expectation of satisfying the requirements within the current allocated budget and schedule. When do you conduct a preliminary design review? The PDR should be conducted when the allocated baseline has been achieved, allowing the detailed design of hardware and software to proceed. A rule of thumb is that 10% to 25% of product drawings and associated instructions should be complete and that 100% of all safety-critical component, critical safety items and critical application items, drawings are complete. The PDR should be conducted when all major design issues have been resolved and work can begin on detailed design. The PDR should address and resolve critical, system-wide issues before detailed design begins. For complex systems, a PDR may be conducted incrementally for each configuration item. These incremental reviews lead to an overall system-level PDR. In the defense acquisition system, the preliminary design review is conducted in the technology maturation and risk reduction phase. A successful PDR allows the program to proceed into a milestone B review. Completion of the PDR should provide the following: an established system allocated baseline, an updated risk assessment for the engineering, manufacturing, and development phase, an updated cost analysis requirements description or card-like document based on the system allocated baseline, an updated program schedule including system and software critical path drivers, and finally, an approved lifecycle sustainment plan updating program sustainment development efforts and schedules. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Preliminary Design Review. For more information, visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting Act Notes.